Hello and welcome to Yes You Can channel. In today's video, I will show you how to scan for viruses in Windows 11. In the search bar here, I want you to type in security. As you can see. Now go to the top, Windows security, click on this please. And then I want you to go to here. Now this is the most important bit now. So there's a quick scan, full scan, etc. You can choose which type of scan you want. It's all here. But I'm going to apply a quick scan and show you how it works. So quick scan, I've clicked on the button and now it's scanning Windows 11, all the files that I have. I don't have many, but all the files I have to see if there's any viruses. Windows 11 Microsoft Defender has stopped scanning now and it's completed, and there's no threats, there's no current threats to my system. So it's simple as that. So as you can see, all the details are here. 0 threats found. So that's how to scan in Windows 11. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you on the next video. Also, please check out my other videos too.